They say birds of the same feather flock together, left from whatever. Been some lonely endeavors. When your eyes to the heavens, they never expected. Find myself flying the highest when I'm an eagle in perfect alignment. Get faithful, die trying. I feel like David, I see Goliath. I think I'm Daniel. Take out the...
It's your girl RockYourGlory. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for watching. So today I will be doing a update here with you guys, and I had did a wash and go with the Eco Style Gold. It's jacked up. Doing inspired hairstyle by dealing with the Whalers. They are family channel. Their styles, views on food, a lot of family vlogging. So I'm gonna show you guys how I update my hair. It's not ready. It's not quite ready for a wash yet. So I'm just gonna wet my hair and do the inspired hairstyle that she did. So right now you see me preparing my hair for the side. I'm going to put my Bantu knots on.
You know, every time we leave together, it's crazy, right? Yeah, it's crazy, bro. Yeah, a pretty face.
Now you see my part is kind of crooked. I was trying to make it straight as possible, but I'm not really good at parting my hair. So now I'm preparing to put the products I'm going to use. The product I'm going to use is water. Of course, it's not a product, it's regular water, H2O. Now I'm just detangling my hair, and I'm going to apply the Shea Moisture Curling milk, and I'm going to apply the gel, and I'm going to put a little bit of amount, and I'm going to twist it, and then, you know, I'm going to Bantu knot it. I haven't worn Bantu knots in so long, so I was so scared to put these Bantu knots in my hair, but I wanted to do the inspired hairstyle to show my girl dealing with the Whalers some love. My girl some love. So make sure you guys check out her channel. It's in the description box, and you can see the video that she was inspired by me to do. This is a collab. Make sure y'all check her out. Also, make sure y'all check out the song that's playing in the background of this video by my friends Illy Rap and Portia Love. But this is me Bantuing it, so I just twisted it, and I'm just twist it as a twist, and then I'm just Bantuing it around the spot of the style I want to go down. So I'm about to speed it up for y'all right quick, and let me stop running my jabber.
Let them know real quick, Paula ain't raised no fool. Slick talking conversations just giving me motivation. The more in that they doubt me, it's feeding my elevation. Knocking down every.
This part of my hair all I'm gonna do is wet and twist it. Seem like because it was a wash and go, it has a lot of product in it, so I'm just gonna spray it down, comb it out, and twist it. It's gonna be so cute. Right now you see me spraying water and detangling my hair for the next section. And these sections, all I'm going to do is twist it so it can be a twist out on this part of my hair. I've done did plenty of twist outs on this channel. All I do is twist, and I curl it with my finger at the bottom. I really didn't have to apply any product on my actual hair from the wash and go, because with wash and goes you do have to apply. This is my voiceover. This is my voiceover. But like I said, I had to just wet it, and I really didn't have to apply that much product. So I'm just gonna speed it up for y'all. Destiny was all in the video, so she gonna be on the voiceover too. Cause at the end of the day, mommy will come first. Okay, say okay. So let me finish this up for you guys, and hopefully you guys like my twist. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section. Thank you.
Pretty face ain't nothing if she ain't looking to Jesus. Most likely full of lust, cause it's his spirit that must lead us. I guess I'm old fashioned.
Right now you seeing my final results of my twist.
You stop settling for less than he hit you when he dish you.
As you can see that it was a lot of twist in my hair, so I already started taking down my hair before I start recording. So I just want to show you guys some of the twists that I took down. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. now you see in me that I got finished taking down my twists and they look very defined. Now I'm getting my edge control and putting it on my edges to make them look cute or whatever. Also, I'm putting bobby pins at the top of my hair because my bang is kind of long. So, yes. And this is my final result, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tell me how you feel about this video. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. And also, like, comment, subscribe to this video. What y'all waiting on? Deuces. Feeling myself or whatever. Hey, shake them curls, girl.
What can the cinema